Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Prelims Economy question. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming Prelims exam. Okay, and also how to solve any question in the easier manner. Okay, how to find the easy pattern type question. Okay, so all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay. Which of the following is the most likely consequences of implementing the Unified Payment Interface UPI? Okay, see, there is a huge growth in the digital payment. Okay, digital India, due to the growth of the digital India activities. Okay, that the digital payment activities is in the huge growth phase. Okay, so everywhere, okay, even in a small shops, okay, or else in the even the beggar also now having the UPI ID. Okay, for begging or else to get certain money, they are also having certain UP. Okay, so that much growth is faced in the UP sector. Okay, so the question is about the UP. Okay, try to find certain extreme statements. Okay, go for the D. Direct transfer of subsidies to the poor people will become very effective. Okay, see, the UPI payment means, okay, what you will do is, if you are going to pay certain person means, you will just scan that their UPI QR code and you will send the money. Okay, it is not even connected to the direct transfer of subsidies to the poor people will become very effective. Okay, it is not even connected to this. Okay, so in the direct benefit transfer, what the government is doing is they will send the money to the bank accounts of the persons. Okay, it is the bank transfer, it is not a UPI transfer. Okay, so the government is do the direct benefit transfer through the bank accounts only, not through the UPI payments. Okay, so the D is wrong. Okay, next, see, the FD inflow will drastically increase. The thing is, there is a possibility for the FD inflow. Okay, because there is certain data. Okay, if you are using through the GPay, you are paying certain things means there will be certain data. Okay, so if the foreign player know about the what are the things the people is actually buying, okay, which sector they are spending the lot. Okay, so if the data is collected by the foreign player means they will do certain investments activities on that sector. Okay, that thing may happen. Okay, or may not also happen. Okay, but it is saying that FD inflow will drastically increase, drastically, so it's wrong. Okay, next, B, digital currency will totally replaces the physical currency in about 2 decades. Is there is any possibility for the replacement of the digital currency with the physical currency? First of all, for a digital payment, okay, you need any mobile accessories or something. Okay, or else you need internet facilities. Okay, still there is major lacuna in this. Okay, even though if there is no lacuna, okay, everywhere there is internet connectivity, everyone having any electronic things with them. Okay, so this is considered that thing also. Okay, so in that scenario also you can't replace the physical currency. Okay, if you are replacing the physical currency means, then why RBI is maintaining the printing unit? It is not even possible. Okay, even though there is certain reduction in the physical currency activities, but still there is a need for the physical currency. Okay, you can't claim that it will totally replace it. Okay, and they are saying that within 2 decades. Okay, so these are certain extreme terms. Okay, so B, C, D, everything have the certain extreme terms or extreme thoughts. Okay, so that is the reason all these three are wrong. Okay, A, mobile wallet will not be necessary for the online payment. Yes, you are just scanning it and paying it. Okay, you need to save any certain money as a e-wallet currency. You can easily transfer the money from your bank account to the another person's bank account through the UPI mode. Okay, so you don't need to carry any e-wallet of saving certain money in that wallet or else in the mobile wallet. Okay, so the answer is A. So the mobile wallet will not be necessary for the online payment. Okay, so this is how you have to find the extreme statements. Okay, and try to eliminate it and go for an answer. Okay, thank you.